Now I'm going to be honest with you here. If you are looking for some get-rich-quick scheme, this probably isn't the video for you. But if you are a beginner, just looking for a way to start making a small amount of money online, maybe $10 a day, then keep watching this video because that's exactly what I'll be teaching you. In this one, I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can use together to literally make money online just by watching some video ads. Now guys, this isn't going to get you rich, but it is a great way to start making money online today, which you can then use to invest into bigger and better things. Now I'm really excited to show you this method today. But before we start, just do yourself a favor by clicking the red subscribe button with notification on. And I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of the first to use it and that way, of course, make the most money. So let's get right into the video. This is going to be a pretty quick video. But I would like you to pay very close attention to this, okay? Because if you're missing out on any of the steps in this video, then you might not have the success that I have with this, you might not be able to make some money online using this. So just pay close attention and watch the whole video. I'm going to make it as quick and painless as possible. So here we go. This is the first website right here. It is called Ad Wallet, and as you can see, they will pay you to watch some videos. Brands want your attention, make them buy it. Get rewarded for watching videos and completing online surveys from brands you care about. Each interaction takes just a few minutes and is worth up to $3. Plus, you can unlock some exclusive offers as well. They do have a video right here, which I would recommend you watch. It's not very long. It's about 1 minute and 17 seconds long, definitely worth watching. It's a pretty nice video with animated stuffs. I highly recommend you watch this just to get the most information possible. I'm not going to show it in this video, just in case I get a copyright strike or something like that. But yeah, you guys can come to the website, adwallet.com, and watch it for yourself. And then, if when you're ready, just click sign up. And you can go ahead and start doing this. So it's very simple. You watch a video, you'll receive a text when it's time to log in to watch a short video, handpicked just for you. Ways to earn: answer related question, take a short survey, or reveal your email. Get rewarded: you'll earn a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 for your full attention. And make more money: earn an additional $1 for every friend you refer. Plus, download offers from brands you love. So there's a lot of different ways that you can actually use to make money on here. The first way is just by watching the video ads. Once the ad is over, you will then get a few questions to answer about the ad. Once you've answered those, you'll get even more money by taking surveys. If you reveal your email address to the company as well, you earn even more money. And every time you refer a friend to this website, you will earn even more money, okay? And once you reach $10, you can then cash out in paper money, gift vouchers, transfer to a bank, you can donate to charity if you want to. It is entirely up to you. So it's a pretty big website, guys. They pay out $1,032,000 and counting to their members in their first 12 months, which is pretty big. And yeah, they're doing very well for themselves, and there's a lot of people on here making a lot of money. So they do have an FAQ as well, there's answers right here to any questions you might have. So again, come to the website and go through these yourself. Look at the questions and you will find the answer you're looking for. So that's the first website I want to show you. But like I said, I'm going to show you 2 different methods in this video. So keep watching for a moment. Let me show you one more way which I really like, which is basically like a passive income. So the next app is right here. This is called SlideJoy. And this one I really like because it's on your smartphone. This is how it works. Like every time you unlock your phone, you will see small images just like these. These little images are ads, or what they call as cards. And every time one does pop up, which is every time you unlock your phone, you can earn money. And you can earn even more money by interacting with the ad. So you've got 3 different choices. You can slide left to get more info about the card. Or, you can slide up to see another card if you're not interested in the ad. Or, you can slide right if you're in a rush to go to your home screen. Slide left is the best one because if you get more info about the card, you can earn even more money. They're going to take you to the ad website and they will promote and sell their products to you, but you don't have to buy or purchase anything. And like I said, if you don't like the ad they shown you, just slide up. Keep sliding up until you find one you're interested in, open up that one, have a look at it. If you don't like it, don't worry, close your phone and have a look in a minute or another minute afterwards, see what other ads you get, okay? So that's pretty much all there is to do. Very simple methods for you today, but they are a great way to start making money online. Like I said at the start, they're not going to get you rich. Don't expect to earn $100 every time you unlock your phone with this, however you're going to earn at least $10 a day. But that's just how it works. Do this for a few months, build up some money on it, keep saving all that in your PayPal accounts. After a few months, you're going to have a few $100s just sitting there ready to invest into something else. Invest that few $100s into something, generate some income from that for a few months until you have thousands of dollars, then invest that into something. Afterwards, you can get $10,000s, then you can go to hundreds of thousands and so on. That's how it works. Don't expect to get rich straight away. Start small, build it up. And this is a great way to start small, just watch some ads. You can do it on your smartphone, tablet or your computer, anything you want, any device you have, you can do this on. But I would recommend combining it with SlideJoy. So, every time you open up Ad Wallet on your phone, you'll unlock the phone, then you can slide some cards or ads from SlideJoy before opening Ad Wallet. It is really a nice way to make a little bit of extra money online. So guys, if you do have any questions about either of these two apps, let me know in the comments down below, and I will get back to you. SlideJoy is only available on the Google Play Store on Android devices. It is because Apple don't allow this sort of thing on their devices. They don't allow these ads to pop up when unlocking your phone, however Android does. That's why it's only available on Android, unfortunately. On the other hand, Ad Wallet is available on any devices that you have. So guys, there we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, share this with anyone else who is interested in making money online. Comment down below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notification on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. Stay safe and stay amazing. I will see you in some of the next videos.